What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and today we're doing another laptop unboxing, the HP Envy x360, the AMD variant. Let's get this done. The reason why I picked this laptop is because I need a laptop that is thin and light so that I could take on the go to edit, and that also my wife can use, that is powerful, light, long battery life, so she doesn't have to carry the charger with her. And according to the manufacturer, this guy has 10 hours of battery life. And before we take a look at it, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, smash that like and hit subscribe. Let's open this guy up. Let's grab my trusty old knife that my dad gave me. This knife is from the 70s. Before we open this box up, let's go over what's on the package itself. We have a picture of the laptop. It looks very sleek. We got the name. On the side, we have all the specs, which we'll go over in a little bit. On the back, we have a little warning that has a lithium-ion battery and be careful with shipping, and that is fragile. And on this side, we just have some serial numbers and other information. And that's about it. Let's open this guy up. Where's the laptop? It's not the first thing we see. It has a little protective covering. And we have some instructions, what ports we have, and the gestures that we use on the trackpad for zooming, scrolling, and other things. We'll keep this here. We'll teach you guys. Let's leave it there a little bit. Open this up. And over here we have our 65 watt charger. It's nice and small. One thing I don't like is using the cylinder pin style. Personally, at this wattage, I prefer a USB Type-C that gives you extra connectivity to use the other port if you need another USB port. They claim that this is a fast charger and you should be getting 50% in 45 minutes. So that's a great thing about this charger. Our extension cord, and the laptop is pretty light. I kind of like that. Put it to the side. What else we got here? We got the pen. It's another unboxing. Alright. We have a pen that uses a special type of battery. This isn't your typical battery. This is a quadruple A battery. Just make sure that when the battery does die, to get a quadruple A, not a triple A. Take the pen out. Let's install the battery since we're right here. Right in. And this is how you're going to use the pen, so make sure it's in there, and it feels like a normal pen. And you got some clickers here, so you could, right click, left click. You can use this basically like a mouse, just point, and then you just use it. And we got some replacement tips, so when the tips do wear out, you can replace them. And we have here the user guide. We have some warranty information. And since this is a Costco product, they give you a 2nd year warranty. So you have an extra year warranty on top of the 1 year warranty that comes with the laptop. And congratulations that you bought this laptop. So let's go over the specs of this laptop. This laptop rocks an AMD Ryzen 7 4700U at 2 GHz. That is an 8-core processor. But sadly, it does not have CMT. And CMT is basically their multi-threading implementation, which allows to give you an extra virtual core. If it had CMT, you would have had 8 physical cores and 16 logical cores. Basically, if it had CMT, this would have been a fake 16-core processor. We have 8 gigs of RAM running at 3200 megahertz, and the RAM is 4x2. So it is running at dual channel. So you have all the speed. It's running Windows 10. And for the space, you have a 512 gigabyte NVMe M.2 drive. You have a blazing fast hard drive. That is awesome. The screen size is a 15.6-inch IPS display running at 1080p, and we have AMD integrated graphics powering the display. It is running Wi-Fi 6, 2x2 with Bluetooth 5.0, a 720p HD webcam with integrated dual array digital microphones. The audio is Bang & Olufsen audio, so hopefully the audio sounds great. It is a full-size backlit keyboard. If you have to type at night or do some kind of productivity at night, you will be able to see the keyboard. And it has almost a 56 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, which gives you up to 10 hours of battery life. And the laptop is about 4.5 pounds. Let's unbag it. Let's do a tour of the laptop. So Open it. Let's test it out with one finger. Okay, you can open up with one hand. Test the hinge out. The hinge looks nice. Do a little flex test. It's good. For the bottom, not much flex. Very rigid laptop. Very high quality, very premium feeling. This is supposed to be a yoga. Tablet mode. So here's our 15.6-inch IPS display, our speaker grill, our keyboard, fingerprint reader, and our trackpad. On the bottom, a vent, 2 rubber pads, and some little information. The HP logo is nice, and the hinges nicely engraved NV symbol here. One con so far I see about the laptop, it is a fingerprint magnet. So you're always going to have a microfiber cloth with you to wipe it down. Over here we have the privacy guard, an intake for the fan, a USB, and an HDMI port. On the other side, one of my favorite integration for this laptop is a full-size SD card reader. So that when I'm recording on the go, I could just put it in here and not carry a dongle around with me. A multi-audio port for headphones and microphone, another intake, power, USB, and our charging port. Let's type on the keyboard. It's not bad. The keyboard, the travel distance for the click it's actually fairly well. I like that there's a full number pad here, so if you have to type in numbers, you can do it very quickly. I like there's a fingerprint reader here. Overall, it's pretty nice. That's power to the gallon. And no power. Oh, wait a minute. We just had to wait a little bit. It has enough juice to come alive. Hi there,
I'm here to help.
Cortana. Using this is fairly simple. Like that. She's asked me to add another keyboard. I want to put another keyboard. It is very precise. Hey, look! Magnetic! That didn't work the way I wanted, but okay. That's pretty nice so you don't lose the pen, but I wish I had a place where you could put it. Overall, my first impressions of this laptop, the build quality is solid, it is all metal design, it is beautiful. So far the display looks great. Now I wish it was brighter. 250 nits is not that bright. I wish it was closer to 400, 500 nits so that when we are using it in direct sunlight, you can actually make out the display. Another con that I found about this laptop, it is a fingerprint magnet, so you're always going to have to wipe it down to keep it clean and shiny. I know I haven't had a chance to put this laptop through its paces since I just opened it up, but I am planning on doing a full review, so guys, stay tuned for that. If you guys want to know how to set up your computer, I did a video, so check it out over here. In that video, I show you guys how to set up your brand new laptop. So overall, for the price point, it is a great laptop. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have questions, comments, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.